Dead. Dead. Rampage Twin Cat by Oxidean Marine. One mean, lean, fun-loving machine. Here's one we just finished for one of our loyal customers. In full transparency, you're sitting here right here looking at Bill Oxidean's workbench. You see, once upon a time, a kid from San Leandro, California, grew up around the corner from a hobby shop. He started at the age of 5 years old with slot cars and got into RC cars and model rocketry. He started racing RC boats and breaking world speed records and became a national champion. From there, here we are. Now back to the Rampage we did for this customer. This thing is slick and sleek. Oxidean Marine by Castle, XL2 ESCs, in a solid pair. Mounted with an aluminum tray, plus a carbon fiber mounting tray, and wired up in series. Switch is integrated with a wiring harness. Push-pull cable steering. With rams on the outside. And we only have the pin partially pushed in because we like to slide it out easier for when we take it apart to ship it. Quasar, you hear me? Quasar talking GPS radio with the module installed out back. We use silicone to install it because we want it to endure tough crashes at over 100 miles an hour. This customer wanted worry-free operation. So at his request, we filled the entire nose with expanding foam, closed cell. In fact, full sponsons, and we brought closed cell foam all the way up the belly pan, all the way to here, leaving space on both sides there for the batteries. We created walls of foam on each side to keep it contained and make it a perfect tunnel and perfect weight balance. Very thick, very strong, very solid carbon fiber construction. This is a much heavier weave than any of our other boats. It's actually 2 layers of carbon fiber with 1 layer of carbon Kevlar sandwiched in between. The weaves were crossed for extra stiffness and strength. This thing is almost too stiff and strong. Square it off out drives, already adjusted to our standards, because we know this hull because we run it often. CNC 3-blade propellers with a conical drive dog for great hydrodynamics. Steel nylock lock nut and our stainless steel spacer. This customer wanted red water lines, so I had to do red water lines throughout. We really appreciate customers like this. And of course, this boat comes with our carbon fiber steering horn. Very precise, and this has already been dialed in for the customer. In case you didn't know, Oxidean Marine is the place to come if you want a ready-to-run boat, dialed in, with the radio just turnkey. We don't just sell boats, we live the RC boat lifestyle. I run RC boats daily, and I've run this boat plenty. You guys have seen it a lot in videos. So when customers come to buy this boat, I can dial it completely in to the same specs as mine. And that is a gigantic difference. Oxidean Marine is for the customers who want something different, something extra, something more than what you just get from the average Joe out there. And for those who don't know and haven't already, subscribe to our channel, smash that like button, and by all means, continue enjoying radio-controlled model boating. Bill Oxidean and the Rampage, over and out.